Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Mitch Keaton with a check of your Watertown Weather Watch forecast. Looking at rainfall amounts over the last 24 hours just to the northeast of the Watertown area. Some pretty heavy rainfall from some thunderstorms that kind of kept moving over some of the same areas. So certainly some issues there. And even as you head into central and northern portions of Minnesota up near Brainerd, some areas picking up 8 to 10 to 12 inches of rainfall with some flooding going on there. Here's a look at the radar loop over the last 12 hours. You can see we had those spotty thunderstorms pushing through the region and really kind of continuing to move over some of the same areas and portions of Minnesota. And that's why we had, again, some of those flooding issues to the east there. We do have a couple of reports of some strong, severe thunderstorms across the region as well. In fact, you can see just to the north of the area, picking up on some stronger wind gusts to near 60 miles per hour near Hillhead. They're closer to the border of North Dakota. But as you head into Minnesota, some reports of tornadoes near Litchfield, Minnesota, near Forest City. And some of these are some of the same reports of the same tornado on the ground, and also some hail and strong wind gusts across parts of Minnesota into Iowa yesterday. In fact, 7 reports of tornadoes across the U.S. Yesterday, and wind damage nearing 30 reports. So very active severe weather across the country yesterday, and again even into the southeastern United States with some thunderstorms there. So that front that moved through yesterday is kind of stalled out, turning into more of a stationary front. Secondary cold front will slide in and does bring the chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms to our east. As we move into tomorrow, it is going to bring us the cooler and drier air, and temperatures cooling into the upper 70s for highs here on Thursday and into Friday. We could maybe see an isolated storm late tomorrow, but the chances are pretty low. Looking at your forecast for today, a mostly sunny sky, another warm day, highs back into the upper 80s. We'd be breezy with a west-southwest wind gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour. Back into the upper 50s tonight, tomorrow, middle 80s again, maybe an isolated storm tomorrow. In fact, the chances are so low, didn't even put it in the forecast. Upper 70s Thursday, Friday, maybe some isolated showers and thunderstorms on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as we get back into the middle 80s here through the weekend, and then into the upper 80s into next week.